Hello friend, I'm Allison. Nice to meet you. This is ZHT Factory. We specialize in the production and manufacturing of woodworking machinery. Now, let me take you inside to have a look.
This is the positive and negative pressure memory pressure machine, TM2580R. This working table is the normal working table with no pin system. And here is the silicone rubber sheet, the heating plate. Here is the control screen with different language, Chinese, English, and Turkish. This machine is about to shipping to the Turkish, and the language can change to other language if you need. This is the meters. And here is the pressure vacuum meters. And let's see this working table. This is the mechanical system, pin system.